Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a Smartsheet dashboard tutorial. I'll be walking you through how to build a fully customized interactive dashboard in Smartsheet. Dashboards are incredibly valuable tools that provide a centralized hub to visualize your organization's key metrics, KPIs, reports, and more. And since dashboards visualize data, the first step is constructing the backend sheet that will feed it. So for a kind of example similar to this one, we would want to build a sample metric sheet tracking things like assigned manager per location, for example, budget allocated per store branch, the costs incurred setting up each one of the stores, the total revenue and profit, and the number of orders sold at each one of the stores. This provides a basic sample data point to pull into our dashboard, simulating real metrics. So model your own data tracking sheet of your unique KPIs. With this kind of data sheet prepped, now we can start building the dashboard. So in Smartsheet, click the plus icon and select dashboard to open up a blank canvas. This is where you're going to be arranging all of your widgets. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive title so anyone immediately knows the purpose. Under Add Widget, start with a text widget for the title section. Format it with colors, fonts, and text sizing. You can give a boost to your blank dashboard canvas visually by adding branding elements. This quickly conveys the subject matter to your viewers. So go to Add Widgets again and select Image. You can now upload a relevant logo, header, or graphic files from your computer. So for this kind of example, I'm going to be adding this image that matches the theme I'm going for. You can resize and position below the title. Toggling off the default image title keeps the focus solely on the impactful graphic. After that, we can start incorporating some dynamic charts and graphs that visualize key data points from our source sheet. Within the Add Widget menu, pick Chart and then choose from types like a donut, bar, line, or pie. Select your data source and then highlight the specific columns to pull into the chart. Smartsheet will suggest a default chart, but you can customize it further. So let's create a donut chart of profit per kind of stand or store. As the data changes, the chart updates in real time. Explore various layouts and color schemes. Good dashboards provide quick access to supplementary reports for further analysis. Shortcut Widgets enables this with just a click. Under Add Widget, select Shortcut and then choose the specific report or sheet that you want to link to. Display it as an icon or content preview. For this kind of sample, I'm going to add a few buttons to instantly open the full budget and sales reports for the fictional kind of business that I just started. Also, consider embedding relevant supplemental web content directly into your dashboard like videos, images, or even web pages. So again, head over to Add Widget and then Web Content and paste in any public URL or embed code. So for this kind of example, I can embed a YouTube video on starting a kind of store business to provide some useful context. This kind of thing saves users time having to search for additional resources outside the dashboard. Or maybe for example, you have a kind of video or web page that you use yourself and you want your teammates or collaborators to get a view of it. And this is exactly where you can have it in the Smartsheet so all of them can share the knowledge. Form widgets enable collecting data without leaving your dashboard. Visitors can conveniently submit information or feedback. So under Add Widgets, select Form and then copy and embed code from an existing Smartsheet form. This instantly makes the form accessible right within the dashboard. So you can create a basic kind of customer survey form and embed it so users could quickly submit their reviews. With your widgets added, carefully arrange them into logical positions and sizes for an effective layout. So experiment with dragging and dropping widgets into different kind of layouts until you achieve the optimal balance between elements to cleanly communicate your data. Leave adequate white space to prevent visual clutter. Continually refine the layout to achieve a visual flow that makes intuitive sense for your content and target audiences. Most widget types have customizable behaviors under widget behavior that control functionality upon user interaction. For example, you can set a chart selection to filter the entire dashboard rather than opening the data source. Or you can enable cross-filtering between multiple charts to reveal the relationships. Spend time exploring behavior possibilities like drill downs, tooltips, conditional formatting, and more to optimize the dashboard experience. So these kind of steps demonstrate how to start a basic, fully functional dashboard in Smartsheet tailored to any use case or dataset. Some additional best practices to consider when creating your own dashboard in Smartsheet is to focus on key metrics and KPIs aligned to strategic goals, include explanations to provide context, and structure your layout in columns or sections for clarity. Make sure to limit clutter by only displaying essential information and make important elements prominent through size and positioning. Also, be sure to test on both desktop and mobile to ensure the responsive design. Optimizing the user experience and visual storytelling takes iteration and refinement, but is essential for adoption. So treat your dashboard like a product that evolves over time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this kind of tutorial has provided you with everything you need to start building interactive and customized dashboards in Smartsheet. Let us know if you have any other questions. We'll be happily answering them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create similar to this one.